On this video, I finished the right side of the dog's face. That's the fur surrounding the eye, the head, the ears, and the body. I start with a layer of light gray or dark gray, depending on how light is reflected. I add darker layers with dark indigo and black. As usual with colored pencil, I have to add many layers so that the pigment stands out on paper. With dry medium, colored pencils and pastels, you spend time layering. With wet medium, acrylic, oil, and watercolor, you spend time cleaning brushes. I'm using Gamasol solvent. It dissolves pigment. The paper absorbs the pigment. When the paper dries, you can add more layers to make the color stand out. I make the right ear hair darker than the photo because that's what the dog looks like in reality. The camera lens captures light differently than the human eye. I use Gamasol again, this time on the dog's chest. I add more layers of white to make the chest hair stand out from the background. Finally, I retrace my signature to make it stand out. I hope you enjoyed all 4 videos documenting the progress of the artwork. Please click the like button if you liked it. Visit linesandstrokes.com to see more artwork. Thank you for watching.